So last month I had the opportunity to attend the 30th anniversary of Todd Duncan's Sales Mastery, and it was outstanding. I encourage everybody to go if you have the opportunity next year. Sign up. He puts on a killer lineup of people. And I couldn't even tell you about his 4-day event. There's so many things to talk about. But one person really stood out to me, and it was Daniel Harkavy. He's the CEO and founder of Building Champions and their coaching platform. Been around a very long time, a very smart man, but he put up this graphic on screen. And what he's showing here is two different gears. The bigger gear, your identity, is really what you feel, what you think, what you believe, turns the smaller gear, which is your actions and your competencies and your relationships, which create your results. They drive your results. So in other words, how you show up in the world matters on what you get from the world. And in today's time, at least for those of us in the real estate related business, coming with positivity and showing up great in the world really matters. Daniel, it was a great talk. I loved it. And if you can next year, everybody, please attend Sales Mastery. It was fantastic.